Hello guys, welcome again to this particular video where we are going to learn how to back up your Trust Wallet account just in case when you lose your phone or you lose your account, and when you get a new phone, this is what you're going to use to recover it. Okay, so first of all, you see at the top there, the middle top, mine is main wallet 2 because I have a couple of wallets. You see maybe something like main wallet 1. Okay, just like this one, the main wallet 1. So the three dots on the right side of the wallet, just select it. Okay, when you select it, you see Google Drive here and then manual backup now. Okay, mine my Google Drive is active, so you just select it, and then when you select it, yours will be something like create a password. Okay, so you create a password and then you verify it with your Google account, and then it will sync to Google. So anytime you need to recover it, you just need to enter that Google account, then recover it. But here, I'm not really interested in doing this Google Drive here because you might lose your account or anything. So let's do the manual backup rather. So let's tap on the backup now. When it select the backup now listen to this. It says for your eyes only. So definitely when we go to the next phrase, my screen can become black and you will see my code. Okay, so you check this box. Okay, this secret phrase unlocks your wallet. Trust Wallet does not have access to this key. Don't save this key in any digital format. Write it on paper and store securely. So that is what Trust Wallet is telling us to write it on paper and store it securely. So I check the box to make sure that I've really read it. Then I'll go to continue. So now my screen will be black here, but to me, I'm not seeing any black screen here because I'll have my codes here or my secret phrase here. So the same to apply to you. You see some words. Okay, you see some words here. Just make sure that you copy the words onto a sheet of paper or your diary or anything, and then you keep those words safe. Okay, keep it safe. Keep it safe. You can keep it in your safe or any other place that you think that you can keep it safe. If you want to keep it in your another Google account or anywhere, you can just take a picture of it and then keep it safe. Okay, so that is that. Now let's say I have lost my wallet. Okay, so let me just delete this wallet. Let me delete it. It's requiring for my, so I don't have that wallet again. Okay, so I don't have it. Let me just go to add a new wallet. So when I go to add a new wallet, or maybe when I create a new account on a different phone, I'll get this to either to create a new wallet or add an existing wallet. So I'll go to add an existing wallet. Now I'll use the secret phrase that we just backed up. Okay, so I select and then check all these boxes, go to continue, and then I'll enter the secret phrase. Okay, so let's go, and then I'm going to start writing them. So as I write, I'll be spacing it up. And mind you, this secret code that I'm writing When I'm done, I'll just delete it because I don't use it for anything. It's just for tutorial purposes only. So now I'm done with writing my secret code, and then you see the restore wallet button there. So I'll just click it, and then it will verify my account. You see that it says brilliant, your wallet is ready. So now I've recovered my wallet. So when I recover any balance that I have in it, you see it here. So guys, this is how to recover your lost wallet when you lose your phone or anything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.